Hi, how are you today?
I'm happy to talk with you.
You explain things very well.
I enjoy our conversations.
You have really good ideas.
Thank you for being so kind.
I like the way you communicate.
You are a good listener.
Your thoughts are always interesting.
I appreciate your time.
You make the conversation easy.
I respect your opinion.
You speak very politely.
Talking to you feels comfortable.
I'm glad we understand each other.
You always make the conversation meaningful.
I like how confident you are while speaking.
Your smile makes the talk even better.
You express yourself very clearly.
I feel relaxed when we talk.
You always share helpful ideas.
I enjoy hearing your thoughts.
You have a very friendly way of talking.
I appreciate your honesty.
You always understand my point.
I like how respectful you are.
You communicate very naturally.
Talking with you never feels boring.
I learn something new every time we talk.
You make conversations fun and positive.
You speak with so much clarity.
I like your calm way of talking.
You understand things very quickly.
I enjoy your company.
You always respond thoughtfully.
Your words are always encouraging.
You make the atmosphere comfortable.
You bring good energy to every conversation.
You talk with confidence and grace.
I like how you listen without interrupting.
You explain your point very softly.
You always choose your words wisely.
You talk in a very mature way.
You make difficult topics easy to understand.
I feel safe talking to you.